Hey peeps, you know who this is, your boy Ron, right? So I got some, what is it called? Real Good Food Company. Oh yeah, Real Food Company, CO Company. These are lightly breaded chicken nuggets. Now, I found this at my favorite store, of course, which is the good old Food Line. But I'm not too impressed with all this, so let's get down to it. There's 5 servings in this container, and a one serving is 4 ounces. And I'm going to show you what 4 ounces is. For 4 ounces, it's 130 calories, 2 grams total fat, no saturated fat, no trans fats, which is not too bad. Cholesterol is 20%, which is 60 milligrams. Whoo! You got a cholesterol diet? You may want to stay away from this. A cholesterol problem, not diet. Sodium 390 milligrams, which is 17% of your daily intake. That is horrible. Total carbs 4 grams, which is not too bad because if you on the diabetic, you want to stay within that 50 grams per day of total carbs. No more than that. That'll also help you lose weight. Okay, dietary fiber is 1 gram, which is nothing to talk about, which is only 4%. Total sugar is 1 gram. Sugars added 0. Now here's what I like to see: 23 grams of protein. That's the only good thing I've seen so far. So there's no vitamin D, 20 grams of calcium, which is only 2% of your daily intake. 0.3, not even 1, 0.3 milligrams of iron, which is 2%. Potassium, 320 milligrams, which is 6% of your daily intake. So you can tell by eating this, it's not going to do your body much good other than the taste in your mouth. So let me go grab my scale and we're going to see. I'm going to show you what 4 ounces really is. When putting your scale, you want to put your scale on a flat surface. No mats or anything under, because it's going to give you a false reading. So here we go. Got the scale on. We will. I'm going to zero it. I want to put it to ounces. Then I'm going to put my cup on it. And then I want to zero it out. There we go. So 0 ounces. Now I'm going to show you what 4 ounces of this really is. Of course, you're not going to be. Oh, here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This little bit here, which is 2 smaller nuggets, look like 4 nuggets, and then 2 smaller ones is 4.1 ounces. So if you guys want to see, I think my scales are jacked up. Hold on. Let me get it up. Cut. Let's zero this out. Okay. 0. There we go. 4 ounces. Well, 4 ounces this time. So this is 4 ounces. This little bit is 4 ounces. That's 130 calories. If you are the average female in healthy condition with a decent metabolic, this is about 10% of your daily intake of calories you're going to eat for the day. 130. Just the calories alone. It doesn't really offer any much more than that. I'm going to make another 4 ounces because I'm going to give it to my son. He's probably going to eat most of it. But that's 2. Okay, that's another 4 ounces. And per instructions, it tells me I just need to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees for 17 to 20 minutes. Oh, they actually recommend a baking sheet. That's fine. I can just take this up and put a baking sheet right on top of it, and that'll eliminate that problem. So let me go ahead and get this in the oven, and we'll be. So here's the nuggets. I'm going to take a couple of them. All right. So I'm going to use my sugar-free original barbecue sauce as the taster. Let's get down. Let's get down to the get down. Move this over a little bit. Woo! That's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna do just a dab of the sugar-free barbecue sauce. Another one of my favorite, Capital One Mumbo sauce. That stuff goes great with everything. Another Capital One right there. Everybody's favorite ketchup. Put a little ketchup right there. Ooh. Okay. And then Bodak. I'm only gonna put a drop of this on there. This stuff is so hot it'll burn your eyeballs. Okay, so let's go ahead and give a sample test. Smells like a chicken nuggets, kind of chickeny. Not very crispy though, probably because it's lightly breaded. So let's try a little sugar-free barbecue sauce. I tell you, if you would ever taste this, and this is G. Hughes' famous barbecue sauce. If you would taste this, you'd be hard pressed to believe that this has no sugar in it. Now, I'm going to see if you can see that. It is 10 grams per serving. And there's no sugar in this at all. And just a bunch of sodium. There's a little bit of carbs, but pretty much nothing else. But it's good stuff. So the next one is going to be my favorite Capital One. I swear. This stuff, I have not found anything that this stuff doesn't taste good on. It's the standard ketchup. Yeah, that's ketchup. And the dreaded Bodak. This stuff. Now, I'm just gonna get a little bit of this because this stuff is hot. And that's more than enough I need because my mouth is already starting to tingle. But I'm gonna tell you, these two are close tied. But this has way too much sugar in it. So if you're diabetic, this is not for you. But if you want to taste that sweet taste, go with this one. This has 0 sugar. It's a little bit more, but it has no sugar. And it's great if you have diabetes and you're trying to control your blood sugar level and yet still be able to enjoy the taste of barbecue sauce. This is a really good barbecue sauce to be sugar-free. I'm still not sure how they got it to taste like this because a lot of times they'll use something called sugar alcohol. But this says it doesn't even have that in it. So I don't really know how he managed to give it such a sweet taste and have no sugar at all in it. So whatever you done, guy, I give you nothing but props. But back to the main review. These chicken nuggets. How would I review the nugget itself? It's okay. It's not going to win any prizes. It's lightly breaded. It kind of tastes like a chicken nugget, but if you look at them, they don't look like chicken nuggets. It looks like they just got strips of probably chicken tenderloin or something, and they threw some batter on it and threw it into a bag. At least they should have at least made the nuggets look like nuggets. That doesn't look like a nugget. Not at all. So, appearance, it gets a 2. Doesn't even qualify for the. If I didn't tell you that was a nugget, you were like, oh, I don't know what you're about to feed me. Taste-wise, it doesn't taste much like a nugget. It tastes like something that's been battered with something. And even the batter's not that great. I mean, let me just pull another little piece off. Yeah, the batter's not even that great. Would I buy this again? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There's nothing worthwhile. I mean, the calories are not great. A lot of times when things have a lot of, that's not very healthy for you, at least it tastes good. This is not that great at all. So, let me go grab the bag so I can remind you guys what this stuff is. This is Mr. Realgood Food Company lightly breaded chicken nuggets. If you see this, go in the other direction. This does not taste, look, or act like a chicken nugget. It's not. I wouldn't even classify as a chicken nugget. This is like a poorly breaded piece of tenderloin. Until next time, family, take care, and I'll see you around.